In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Jira step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Jira is one of the most powerful project management and issue tracking tools used by software teams, agile teams, and businesses all over the world. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to navigate Jira, how your team workspace works, and how to use features like the summary, backlog, board, calendar, timeline, and pages to manage work effectively. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, once you log into Jira, you'll land on your team's project. This is where all your work lives. At the top or side menu, you'll see your team name and project key. This area represents your team workspace, and it's where everyone collaborates. Think of this as your central hub, where tasks, issues, and progress are tracked. Next, let's talk about the project summary. When you click on Summary, you get a high-level overview of what's happening in the project. Here you can see progress charts, issue status breakdowns, and workload distribution. This is extremely useful for quickly understanding how your project is doing without digging into individual tasks. After that, let's move to the backlog. The backlog is where all your planned work lives before it's actively being worked on. You'll see a list of issues, stories, or tasks that are prioritized by your team. You can drag and drop items to reorder them, add new issues, or refine details. For Agile and Scrum teams, this is where sprint planning usually happens. Now let's open the board. The board is one of the most important parts of Jira. This is where you visually track work as it moves through different stages, like to do, in progress, and done. Each card represents an issue, and as work progresses, you move it across the columns. This makes it very easy to see what everyone is working on and what's already completed. Next, let's look at the calendar view. The calendar helps you see issues based on due dates. This is perfect for tracking deadlines, planning releases, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. You can quickly spot overdue tasks or upcoming work just by glancing at the calendar. After that, we have the timeline. The timeline gives you a roadmap-style view of your project. You can see how work spans across days or weeks and how tasks relate to each other. This is especially helpful for planning larger projects and understanding dependencies between different pieces of work. Now let's talk about pages. Pages allow your team to create and store documentation directly inside Jira. You can add meeting notes, project requirements, guides, or any important information your team needs. This keeps everything in one place and makes collaboration much easier. Next, you'll notice the option for more spaces. This is where you can explore additional project views, settings, and tools, depending on how your Jira instance is configured. It's a good idea to click around here to understand what extra features are available to your team. After that, click on the highlighted project section. This area lets you view and switch between all the projects you have access to. You can sort them, search for specific projects, and quickly jump into the one you need. Finally, take some time to explore everything in more detail. Click into individual issues, check statuses, assign tasks, and update progress. The more you use Jira, the more comfortable it becomes. And that's it. You now have a solid understanding of how to use Jira and navigate its core features. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.